this heat. Medical Services Robbie Brown at 3-2's empty. Essential Energy Services called it one. And the horn goes, and Minnie getting a maxi start out there. Look at him go. He's having a good turnaround up there. A little too close for Tom McCracken. On his barrel, he's going to be going with the 5-second penalty right off the bat. But Robbie Brown is taking off. He is way out in front now as they come past corner number 2. He's whipping his way down the backstretch drive, holding back for nothing, and he is on halfway down already. Now Tom McCracken, driving for Essential Oilfield Energy Services, has a long ways to go. So he's going to have to end up in second place and be satisfied with that. But right now, we have got Robbie Brown, Medical Services, taking corner 4 all the way home. Here he comes, O.J. Lachette.